मैं आपको बताता हूँ 99.99% of people who are on YouTube, they don't succeed because they don't know how to make a great thumbnail. Now the question is how to make a great thumbnail.
Yeah.
It's a simple idea, right? You have to understand first principles very well. You have to understand what do your audience care about. ठीक है? एंड इसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? इसके लिए आपको करनी पड़ेगी पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन. जैसे मैं एग्जांपल देता हूं. अगर आप सीए की नीश में हो, आपको पता है कि देयर आर सर्टेन पेन पॉइंट्स ऑफ योर ऑडियंस दैट दे वुड क्लिक ऑन. आपको पेन पॉइंट्स पता होने चाहिए. सीए नीश में अगेन क्या सेम पेन पॉइंट्स है उनको यार, वो देखना है उनको बीसीजी बेन ईवाई का लोगो, आप थंबनेल पे वो डालो. मैं अगर लेट से कोई और क्या कैटेगरी की बात करूं, मैं टेक की बात करूं, राइट? टेक में अगर आप किसी फोन का रिव्यू करो, आपको फोन बड़ा बड़ा दिखाना पड़ेगा, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट इट विल वर्क. सो इन ऑर्डर टू मेक अ ग्रेट थंबनेल यू मस्ट नो कि मेरी ऑडियंस के टॉप 3-4 ट्रिगर पॉइंट्स क्या हैं जिन पे वो क्लिक करते हैं और जिनके ऊपर मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूं, और मैंने जो वीडियो बनाई है वो वीडियो कोई क्यों देखेगा. सो वी हैव दिस फ्रेमवर्क इंटरनली. वी से दैट why would someone care about this? Think about it. Ask yourself, why would someone care about this? And ask this to yourself very deeply. Why would someone care about this? कोई मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे क्यों क्लिक करेगा? अगर मैं ये पॉडकास्ट कर, मेरे को तो कोई नहीं जानता, मेरी कोई फेस वैल्यू तो नहीं है. What would you write on the thumbnail that will make people click on this? That is the point. What do the audience of this particular video care about? You need to really understand what do the audience care about. Now, this is a very broad thing.
So give me ideas. So if you would have been in my place, ये video के लिए what thumbnail, what title would you have put?
Multiple things, right? So let's say, first thing, जो a lot of people do when they do a podcast with me, they write this, Mr. Beast follows this guy. People would care about it because इसके audience कौन है? Creator है. Almost every creator looks up to Mr. Beast. So if Mr. Beast is following an Indian, why? That's a curiosity point someone would click. That's
But
one
that's
option.
not a pain point. You're not directly addressing the pain point of the audience, right? You're just saying कि Mr. Beast को follow करता है, मैं I'll be like, तो मैं क्या करूँ, मैं क्यों देखूँ? That can also be one reaction, right?
Yeah, it is. But you then complement it with the title also, right? Title भी तो है. आपने मिस्टर बीस्ट का लिखा, बंदा रुका, आपने टाइटल में लिख दिया कि यार कंटेंट मास्टर क्लास और समथिंग. That's the thing. So you can't see it thumbnail in isolation. When I say thumbnail, I rather mean the packaging of the video.
Thumbnail and title.
Always. It can't be only one, right? So that could be one. So second thing, maybe you could put like some of my famous clients ka picture, some of my brand clients ka picture, and you can see that, let's say, the brain behind these. Very much possible to put this, right? Or let's say you simply put like some of my strong statements that I have given in this podcast. You could put them. आजकल वो tweet वाला काफी चल रहा है. So very simple. But again, to find that strong statement, you need to understand कि मैंने जो 10 बातें बोली उसमें सबसे ज्यादा पेन पॉइंट क्या है.
नहीं, but then you said that thumbnail and title तो पहले कर लेना चाहिए, but now you're saying कि ये 10 पॉइंट से आना चाहिए, तो then तो मेरे को thumbnail तो बाद में ही करना पड़ेगा ना after the podcast.
So this is one particular case. आपको ये तो पता है ना कि आपके पॉडकास्ट पे क्या क्वेश्चंस होंगे, ठीक है? आपने मेरे बारे में रिसर्च किया होगा. एनी गुड पॉडकास्टर वुड डू दैट. मेरे और भी 5 पॉडकास्ट होंगे. आपको पता है कि यार मेरे थॉट्स तो वही हैं. आपको अगर पता है यार इसने ना इस पॉडकास्ट में ये वाली बात बोली थी, मैंने ये क्वेश्चन वापस से पूछूं, तो बंदा सेम ही बात बोलेगा. You know what I'm gonna say with at least 80% accuracy. Things can be gamed. It's a lot about, again, this is also part of pattern recognition. If you identify my patterns over what I've written over years on Twitter, what I've spoken on multiple podcasts, you will find a pattern of my opinions. And you can eventually find it. That's what. Yeah.
So give me 3 title ideas for this video. What you would have put? 1, 2, 3.
Anything, right? So I mean, one could be if you want to like sustain this video for long, also like very keyword based, simple, like how to grow a YouTube channel from scratch in 2025, right? Very simple and a common thing. Always works. Number 1. Number 2 could be, let's say, this video will change the way you look at the YouTube algorithm. This could be 2, right?
Okay.
Third could be everything you know about YouTube is bullshit. Here's why. Or let's say fourth could be
Don't start creating content without watching this.
decent, but आजकल ना ये वाले वेग टाइटल्स इतने दिस वाले we have seen going down because people now know कि अच्छा ये क्या है. But this could be like let me think. हम content क्या simple no. The science of YouTube algorithm explained, or let's say the last video you would want to watch on YouTube algorithm. अभी तक मैं इंस्टा की बात नहीं की वरना वो भी ऐड हो जाए. मल्टीपल टाइटल है, बहुत कुछ हो सकता है मतलब.
Got it.
Yeah.
Any specific creator you feel we should take inspiration from as far as the thumbnail designing is concerned? Like a creator whose thumbnails are bang on. मतलब इससे better thumbnails नहीं देखे.
यार honestly ना बहुत context involved है इस question में. Which niche, which category, which culture, which country.
कोई भी India country of course. कोई भी. I mean,
देखो अलग
any
अलग
creator.
हैं. जैसे मैं बताता हूँ. मेरे को लगता है कि टेक में जाओ क्योंकि ये कैटेगरी वाइज ही होगा. मतलब बेस्ट थंबनेल्स टेक में मिस्टर टेकपीडिया के लगते हैं मेरे को.
Okay.
You wanna search?
Yeah, I just Mr. Techpedia.
Mr. Techpedia is a very close friend also. If he would be a stock, I think people should bet on him.
Okay. Very creative.
Very creative. टेक में क्या होता है मोस्ट थंबनेल्स लोग फोन उठा के ऐसे कर लेंगे. Very creative. I love this guy. तो टेक में ये है. Then podcast में I really like Prakhar these days in terms of his branding. I think very premium. I think the most premium branding if any podcast has in India, it's of Prakhar. Very global branding that way. Ranveer also had rebranded his podcast, but he switched it back. I don't know why. So Prakhar in podcast. So that's that. Infotainment में I'd say जो case study type की videos होती हैं, I'd say Mohak Mangal for that matter.
Yeah, actually, Mohak Mangal ka I also like a lot. I think the way he designs them, it's just.
I think Mohak would be infotainment में अच्छा है. Then there's this like documentary style में I think KK creates these days is very innovative. काव्या कर्नाटक very good. होते हैं मतलब इतनी categories हैं मैं कितना ही बताऊं.
Fair.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.